Yes, unboxing the RS2 Pro Combo by DJI, and I have bought this with the hard-earned money of my father. So let's get right into it. What is up everyone, my name is Jatin and you're watching Streets of Punk. So finally I have my own Ronin S2. I personally didn't like gimbals to begin with, but this one's gonna be special. Everybody who knows about this knows about this. So let's get right into the unboxing. Easy. I love when the product is with good packaging. So this is the RS2. I like the color palette on this. So let's get it. I'm shivering right now because this is one of the major investments that I have done recently in my career. So what do we have inside? It's a bag. Yes. So everybody was talking about that small bag, and believe me guys, it is very small. We have a couple of paperwork, the manuals in the bag, and we are gonna throw that away right now. So first of all, before opening this guy right here, I want to tell you that the quality of the box is really dope. Feels so premium and also is very portable. So we'll start with the first zip. Ooh. So first of all, here we have the tripod mount and the second arm. We have the base plate. We have a phone holder. One of the dopest phone holders I've ever seen. Is the battery grip and one more part of this gimbal which I don't know what it is. It has a gold shoe. This is for the first part right here. Now let's look into the zip. Focus motor, very important. For focus pulling. Bunch of more accessories and the Raven Eye wireless video transmitter. Looks cool. SPD emergency. So important when you are filming cinematic stuff. Bunch of screws, bunch of other accessories. We'll pack it. Now let's look at the last and final zipper right here. It is time for the big reveal, guys. Here it is. The Ronin S2. Whoa, man. So portable and light. That's the biggest takeaway from this gimbal. I was afraid by the idea of buying the Ronin S because it was too heavy and it would take a lot of time to set up. This one, of what I have heard, on YouTube. It is so easy to install, so easy to set up, and so easy to carry. Now look into the zippers. Lots and lots of cables. USB Type-C, some more cables, HDMI, and all those, everything that you know. So yes, this is it. This was the unboxing of the Ronin RS2 Pro Combo. A lot of things right here that I need to figure out. So guys, this was it. This was the unboxing of my new Ronin RS2 Pro Combo, and I must say that it's a very portable kit, also a very light gimbal. So yes, I will now set it up and try it out, and I'll see you in the next videos with more stuff on this gimbal. Peace.